Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a great Friday today. So I wanted to do this video to show you guys what I got at Sephora. I got this Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Bestsellers Kit. I've been wanting to try this, guys, but I was waiting for like a little kit to be available, because if you buy these individually in large full size, it gets really pricey. But a kit is always like affordable, you know. So on this one, it's gonna come with 5 items, and what you get in here is the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner, Plum Pump Serum, the Watermelon Glow Dew Drops, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream, and the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And that's the sizes right there. If you guys can see them, they're very tiny, but you know, it's just a trial size, so I'm good with it. Look at the packaging, it's so cute, guys. And it tells you right there how to use them in order and stuff, so that's very helpful. Okay, let me see if I can open this, guys. Bear with me. Let me see if I can open this. La mommy's right there. Say hi, mommy. Hi. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Let's see. Wait, okay, guys, wait. Okay, got out the little fruit babies out. So okay, the first item right here is going to be that one. Look, so tiny, the little lettering, guys. Ooh, cute. Look how tiny. See, like my hand size right there. Oh my god, they're glass. Yes, looking nice. I kind of assumed that it were going to be glass, but I wasn't sure it was going to be just the hard plastic ones. Here you go. Look how pretty. Cute. It's right there. Okay, the little one. This is the little retinol eye cream. So you guys can see them, how they look all together. Look how that. Oh, cute. This is right there. The 5 of them. So just like a close-up, guys, so you guys can see them before you try to see if you want to purchase them. So you guys can get an idea of what you're getting there. See right there. Oh, look at that. I love it. I can't wait to try them. This is the toner. Okay. There's a serum right here. This one is the dew drops. Right there. And again, the little retinol eye cream. I had heard a good reviews about this, so I have my hopes up. I'm going to be putting them like in my makeup little vanity right there, so you guys can take a look before I put them over there in my video room. So see, this is how it looks, guys, all together. The biggest bottle right here, the tallest bottle, is moisturizer, the toner, and these ones too are about the same. You know, you get a little bit less of this dew drops than this one right here, but it's almost the same stuff right there. Look how cute. Don't mind my nails. But anyway, yeah. So you guys can get a closer look on that. And then I also got this one, the Sephora little baggie. I'm probably going to put them in here just because if I wanted to travel with them, put them right here to protect them. I don't know if you guys can see this little bag. This out of Sephora. Look how cute it looks. It was like $5 or so. But I love it because it's like see-through. And that's where I'm going to put these little babies at. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys a close-up, guys, of what I got of the Glow Recipe little kit. So you guys can see them up close. And that's how they look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video on this haul. Talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.